In this video, how to import an image into Photoshop. Welcome to the channel, thank you for dropping by. How to import an image into Photoshop. There's three methods. I will show you the first one immediately. Open Photoshop if you don't have it open already, because then you can just focus on Photoshop. You don't even need to look at YouTube. First method, go to the top left corner, click on File. I will see Open. It's Control O for PC or Command O for Mac. Left click on Open. It will take you to your Explorer or your Finder, wherever your images are, or go look for them, libraries, PC, desktop, whatever, wherever you kept it. Select your image. I've got a JPEG. You double left click, or you can go down to the right hand corner of that box and left click Open. Your image is now imported into Photoshop. That's it. If you found value in this video, thank you very much. We enjoy teaching you. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll get an email to say when we've got another video up.